Hello, I am Kanchan, pharmacist. Today I will discuss about the route of drug administration. What is the route of drug administration? Mainly, drugs are used in three route: external, parental or topical. External route, that is oral, buccal, sublingual, dental, cones और rectal. Parental route में intravenous, intramuscular, subcutaneous, इंट्राआर्टेरियल, इंट्राकार्डियक और इंट्राडर्मल. टॉपिकल रूट ऑन स्किन और कैविटीज. एक्सटर्नल रूट ऑफ ड्रग एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन. एक्सटर्नल मीन्स GIT. When any drugs is passed through GIT means gastrointestinal tract and reach into the blood, that is called the external route of drug administration. Means those drug which are passes through GIT and reach into the blood, that is called external route of drug administration. That means stomach. The drugs passes through stomach, that is called the external route of drug administration. Types of external route of drug administration. Oral. When any drugs is given through mouth and pass through GIT, that is called oral drugs. Types of oral drugs: tablet, capsule, solution, that is syrup, emulsion, suspension, inhaler, powder, etc. Advantage of oral drug. What is the advantage of oral drug? This is the cheap and cost effective. It is easy to available. No expert is required for their administration. Easily taken by mouth. No extra precaution required for storage. Disadvantage, that is bioavailability is very less. Drug is first part metabolized, difficult to intake for inject, and older unconscious patient cannot take the drug, very slow response. Sublingual route of administration, where the dosage form is placed under the tongue, rapidly absorbed by the sublingual mucosa. Means advantage, the drug is economical, quick termination, first pass avoided, drug absorption is quick. What is the disadvantage of sublingual route of drug administration? Unpleasurable and bitter drugs, irritation of oral mucosa, large quantity are not given, few drugs are absorbed. Buccal route of administration, when the dosage form is placed between gums and emulsions, leaving of the cheek buccal absorbed by the buccal mucosa. Advantage: avoid first pass effect, rapid absorption, drug stability. Disadvantage is inconvenience, advance of first situated, a small dose limit. Parental route of drug administration. The form of parental means outside from the intestinal route. It means when drug is not passing through the gastrointestinal route, parental administration is given by the injection inside the body. Parental route में para means outside the body, external means inside the intestinal route. Types of parental route: intravenous, intramuscular, subcutaneous route, intraarterial route, intradermal route. Intravenous route बोले, intravenous drugs is directly injected into the vein. The viability of IV route is 100% and there is no loss of drug by first pass metabolism. Their onset, the action of is very quick. Advantage: quick onset of action, 100% viability, no first pass metabolism can be given to the unconscious patient. It given in starts of response for vomiting and diarrhea. Less amount of drug is required. Drug is not passed through the GIT. No drug wastage. Disadvantage of intravenous route of drug administration. In IV drug, patient fall unconsciousness. It create pain during injection. Cell necrosis on occur at the site of action. It is very costly for IV administration. Expert is required. If drugs toxic, then it can't able remove by vomiting. Intramuscular route. Intramuscular drug is not directly injected into the blood. It is given into the muscles, then it released into the blood. Those drug whose particle size is bigger, it is given by the intramuscular route. When drug is injected into the muscular, then create a tissue. Advantage: absorption, rapid onset of action, mild irritant can be given, first pass avoided. Disadvantage: only up to 10 ml drug given, local pain and absence, expense injection, subcutaneous, injected under the skin, absorption is slow, so action is prolonged. Intradermal, the drug is given the skin layer, means dermis. It is painful, mildly used to sensitively to drug. Example: penicillin or anti-tetanus serum etc. Intra-arterial means injected to arterial. Antibiotic and corticosteroids and are administered into the inflammatory joint cortis by the expert. Example: hydrocortisone and rheumatoid arthritis etc. Topical route of drug administration. When the drug apply externally without blood, then it is called topical route of drug administration. Topical drug apply on the skin surface and different external body cavities. When topical drugs apply over the skin, then it is reach into the systematic circulation by absorption and mechanism. That is skin, dermis layer, hypodermis, and then blood, or then absorption by the blood. Topically, the drug inserted into the body cavity like body cavity, eye, ear, nose, rectal, ultrarectal, the time coming of the body, causing the made of mucosa layer, and drug is absorbed through the mucosa layer and reach into the blood. Drug, body activity, mucosa layer, and then absorb into the blood. Advantage: it is applied for local action where is less chance of side effect. Topically, drug can be applied to all age group and unconsciousness patient, easy to remove if drug is wrong. It give delay action, a lotion and suppository is irritating for the patient. When my knowledge is better, then like, share, subscribe to my channel. then मैं आप लोग के लिए और अच्छी से अच्छी इन्फॉर्मेटिव वीडियो लाता रहूँगा फार्मेसी के रिगार्डिंग, और आप लोग का नॉलेज बढ़ाते रहूँगा। तब तक के लिए मेरा नमस्कार स्वीकार करें। धन्यवाद।